Hey, this is Jen. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be mulching the bed along the driveway. I'm going to use a little bit of newspaper to suppress the weeds, but it was so windy out, I didn't get too far mulching in this day. So I gave up on the mulching and then I went on to planting some supertunias. Here I am using the newspaper method to suppress weeds, and as you can see, because of the wind, I am using water to try to keep the newspapers from blowing all over the place. But it was a battle, that's for sure. But this method is fantastic for suppressing weeds. I highly recommend it. All right, taking a break. So I'm frustrated, you can probably tell. The wind is winding. So anti-wind, seriously. Because of the wind and how frustrated I am at this point, I decided to go ahead and plant some supertunias in the ground. I used the Proven Winners slow release fertilizer for each supertunia, and I just planted a swoop of them. I believe they're called Supertunia Cafe Latte. They're absolutely gorgeous. I cannot wait for these plants to fill in. Okay, so I didn't do too badly. Hello, shadow. So, starts right here, and it does a little swoopity swoop, and it ends over there. Not too bad with the spacing. I mean, it could be better, but you know, it's me. This is as good as it's gonna get. Oh, I cannot wait to see how these fill out. Truth be told, this is my first time planting Proven Winners annuals. Huh, look at me, all grown up. Okay, time to water it in. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. This is a quick little view of the back gardens. See you next time.